Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail inject, and today I want to share with you some of our product. Yes, this is a control valve. Yes, okay, then let's check the detail first. First, let's see the package details. You can see we package it with the VCI anti-rust bags here, and and then for this part, you can see the surface is printed with the labels, right? The labels on this label, the first line is our brand logos, Shumatt. Yes, if you want to design your own logos, you can contact us because we supply the customized services. We can print your own logos and design the labels and the packaging bags for you. Yes, if you have these demands, please contact us, okay? And then you can see this line, it's model numbers F00RJ00995. Common rail valve, yes, application inject number is the 0445120031. In this part, this is the QR code. You can scan it. And the other informations will on these labels. Okay, I will open it to see the inside part. Yes, also we package it inside with the plastic bottles, and you can open it in this way. The inside part, we use the oil paper to package it. Okay, this is a whole control valve. Actually, we not only selling the whole side, the control valve, but also we sell the separate parts, like the separate parts. This is the valve cap. And for valve caps, you can see on this part it had the coating, and we done some curved numbers on this part. This is the valve roll. Our valve roll we have different size and lengths. If you have the other needs of the length, and you can tell us, we supply the customized services of the control valve. Yes. Okay, every items before we sell it, we will test it many times. So our product will have the high qualities, and also we have the 6 months warranties. Okay, that's the product details about our control valves. Yes, any informations. Actually, we have many models, right? We have many models of our product. If you are not familiar with our product, you can send us the numbers. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Actually, here I have the 3 tips for you. The first tip is if you want to clean the control valve, the spare parts, or the injectors, it's better to use the oil to clean it. The second tip is if you want to install the control valve, it's better to make sure the valve rod will be moved smoothly after assembling inject body. Okay, the third tips is make sure the valve cap in the right positions. Okay, that's the tips I want to share with you. Actually, except that we also supply the injector, the nozzles, the repair kit, and the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Yes, including the valve we are showing today. Yes. Okay, any others, if you are interested, please welcome to contact us. Okay, so much for today's introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.